Good morning. Welcome to the Kafka series. In this tutorial, I will cover the Kafka producer, and then we'll create the Kafka topic. Then we will publish the data, message into the Kafka topic. Then we will read the message from that Kafka topic. Then we will cover the Kafka producer commands with an live examples. Let's get started. Okay. As in the last video, we have covered the basics about the Kafka producer. Okay. So producer basically will publish the message into a particular topic, Kafka topic. Okay. So the message it sent into some different format. It might be. So it might be the JSON format, Avro, or any particular protocol buffers, right? So before sending the message into the Kafka topic, it first serialize that message, okay, into byte, and then it will send it to the Kafka topic. So now let's say I want to send the message into a particular partitions. Then we can configure that topic and we can send default to a particular partitions only, or let the Kafka decide uh, which partitions it will send to scale and just reduce the fault tolerant on that. Okay. Also, so let's say how we will know that the message which we have written into a Kafka topic is successfully written or not, right? So Kafka provides the acknowledgement options as well while creating the message. Okay, so we will cover that, and then let's say if the message is so big, then we can compress the message and then send it to the Kafka topics. Okay, so as I said, before doing anything, we have to first start the zookeeper. Okay, so which will managing everything in the Kafka. Then we have to start the broker, basically the server, in which we are sending the message Kafka messages, right? Okay. Then we have to create a particular topic, Kafka topic, in which we will publish the message or we will read the message, right? So in the Kafka it provides different options to create the topic. Okay. So inside a Windows folder there is a bed file Kafka topics. Okay, so anything related to the Kafka topic, if I want to delete, list, or create or describe the Kafka topic, we will use that bed file. Okay. And so let's say I want to create a topic, so we'll give the hyphen create and then hyphen topic and the topic name which we want to create. Okay. Then let's say I want to create three replicas or some partitions. Let's say 3 4 partitions I want to create. Okay, so we can give that options as well while creating the topic. So hyphen replication factor 3 and then partitions 5. Okay, so it will create the 5 partitions and 3 replicas of that topic. Okay. Then in which broker or which server I want to send that message, right? I mean, I am creating this topic, right? So here in the bootstrap server we will give that broker list. Okay, so let's say if we have a multiple servers, we can give that servers list as comma separated list. Okay. So let's say if you won't give any replication factor or partition counts, so it will create the default one. Okay, so partitions would be a one, default one, and replication factor is a zero. Okay, yeah. So after creating a topic, we have to publish the message into that topic. Okay, so anything, let's say in the console, we want to publish, I mean, produce any data, right? So inside a Windows folder, Kafka console producer bed file is there. So we will use that bed file to create any message, okay, and publish the message into a particular topic. Okay. So just like I will use the Kafka console producer.bat file, then which broker I'm sending that message. okay, and which topic. So hyphen hyphen topic, the topic name which I'm publishing the data. But let's say I want to give some extra options into the producer, like the acknowledgement or a particular partitions. I want to send that message for a particular topic, right? So let's say in the Kafka topic we have created a particular partitions as well. So let's say I want to say that no, this data will publish only that particular partitions, okay. So we can give that hyphen hyphen partitions and that partition number, okay. And then let's say I want to guarantee that the message has been written into the Kafka topic successfully or not. So hyphen producer properties inside acknowledgement will give the all. Okay, there's some different options as well there. Okay, and then let's say I want to serialize my message for the before writing into the topic. Okay, so we can give that options as well. So here value dot serialize equals the particular how we want to serialize. Okay, so if we won't give anything, it will use the default one. So let's go with an live examples. Okay. Okay, so in the Kafka setup, we already done all the setups. Okay. Okay, so inside the Windows, we will use all the bits file for our use. Okay, so let's open. So now let's see what all the bit file are there. Okay, so first we will run the zookeeper. Okay, we will start the zookeeper. Okay, and we will give the config to run that zookeeper. Okay. Okay, so now the zookeeper is started as localhost 2181. Okay, yeah. Now let's start the Kafka broker as well. Okay, so we will use the Kafka server start dot pet file, and then we will give the server properties to start that server. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see it started at 9092 in a local host. Okay, this is the my desktop one. Okay, so in the 9092 port it is started. Okay. Now we will create the topic. So let's open the terminal. So as I said, we will use the Kafka topic dot bed file to create the Kafka topic. Okay. So Kafka topics bed file, create the Kafka topic, then just give the create hyphen topic, let's say test. Okay, and let's give the bootstrap server, I mean the broker where we are uh, sending creating this Kafka topic. Okay, so this is in a local host 9092. Okay, so topic is created. So now let's see how many topics we have right now in our Kafka topics. So hyphen hyphen list in the Bootstrap server. So there is only one topic right now. Okay. Now let's create one more topic just to clarify that replication factor and partition count. Okay. Create topic minus. Now we will give the replication factor. Let's say 3. Okay. And some partitions. Let's say 4. Okay. Anything we have to give? Yeah. Now let's create partitions. Just a second. There's a typo in the partitions. Okay, in the server properties, we can't create more than one replica, so we will modify. But right now, let's give only one replication factor. Okay. Yeah. So now that topic has been created. Now let's describe both the topic which we have created. Okay. So we'll see what is the difference between those two topics. Okay. Topics. Describe hyphen topic test on this bootstrap server localhost 9092. Yeah, let's go with the same my test. So here you can in the descriptions you can see the topic name is the test, partition is a 0. So so the leader is the first one, zeroth one, right? And the replicas is 0. Okay, by default it creates a replication vector is a 1. Okay, and the config there is nothing we have given, so it's empty. But in that my test topic, right, we have given a partition count as a 4. So it created 4 partitions, 0 1 2 3. And out of those 4 partitions, the first one is the leader one. Okay, and all these partitions 1 2 3 is the slave one. Okay. Okay, now let's publish the message into a particular topic. Okay, so we will use the Kafka console producer.get, and then which topic I want to send the message. Okay, and then which bootstrap server or which broker. So just give the list of all the brokers. Okay, so right now we are not giving any config or any properties. Okay, or some other options. Let's use the default one. Okay, so let's say welcome to Kafka series. Okay, publish the message into a test topic. The message is welcome to the Kafka series. Now let's consume this message, okay, from the consumer side. Okay, which topic we want to consume, just give the hyphen hyphen topic. Let's say test. Okay, which server we want to use, bootstrap server, localhost 9090. Okay, so now that message is gone, right? But let's say we'll write one more message. Okay, hello world. Here you can see the hello world, right? So it just reading the message when it created, right? It's not reading the message from the starting. Okay, so the previous message is gone, right? But let's say I want to use the I want to read all the message in that particular topic. Okay, so we can give the option like hyphen hyphen from beginning. Okay, so if we give the option hyphen hyphen from beginning, it will read the message from that topics from beginning. Okay, yeah, so here you can see all the messages, welcome to the Kafka series and then hello world. Okay, so I hope till now you got some basics understanding about the producer consumer and how to create the topics. Okay.